See, he don't even come there to play cards no more.
Hello, hello, and welcome back to my channel. Hello, hello. So, how was everybody? Happy Friday. This is my bad. Happy Saturday. I just did a video. I shouldn't have forgot, right? Oh well. Happy Saturday, and this is a. Do you see it? Unice Bettyou series unboxing wig review. I styled it. I've worn it. You've seen pictures. And now I came to give you the wig review and show you what I got in the box. This is the wig cap it came with. I don't wear wig caps. So we know I don't sell my wigs. This is the eyelashes it came with. And let's see what else is in this box. Just the stock card to tell you how to take care of it. That's all that was in the box. So I ordered the 14-inch kinky straight texture 13x6 wig, which I've styled in a ponytail already. And I'll show you. This is the wig. As I've been wearing her, she has 3 combs. I've cut the lace. I've styled her. Now, I'm going to put it on. Even though y'all seen me in this already. Hold on. Work with me, phone. Work with me, work with me. Okay. Go sit down. Excuse me, I'm talking to my 3-year-old baby. So, this is the wig on me. I've styled it in a up, down, half style. I've been wearing it. It was glued down. And this is the texture. If you're following me on IG, which you should be at badgirl30, BAADGURL30. This is the texture. This is what it's looking like. And, okay, this wig is very minimal to do. You can put some, I just use my foaming, olive oil foaming, and a little bit of gel to style it. I have not straightened this hair, but I will come back with a straightening video to show you how it looks straightener, more straightened than what it is. But for the texture, I love it. It's soft, it's sensual, it doesn't really tangle, and it's very, very manageable. You can just throw this on and go. You don't really have to do too much. It looks like your natural hair. Now, I ordered this wig from Amazon, so this video is not sponsored by Unice. Let's just get that clear. I purchased this with my own coin from my mommy challenge, for those of you who remember. So, this wig was purchased, and will I be ordering from this company again? Yes, I will. And until my next videos, stay blessed and not stressed. Later.